If your card was declined on Epic Games, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through 2 quick fixes that often solve the problem fast. We're going to turn off anything that could interfere with the payment, and then we'll try buying from the Epic Games website instead of the launcher. These are simple steps, but they can make a big difference when a payment is being blocked for no clear reason. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. Epic Games and payment processors can sometimes flag purchases made through a VPN because your location looks different from your account details or card issuer information. So if you have a VPN turned on, switch it off completely. If you use a proxy service in your browser or system settings, disable that too. Once that's done, go back and retry the payment. In many cases, the card will go through right away once your connection looks normal again. If the card still gets declined, the next thing to try is making the purchase from your browser instead of the Epic Games launcher. Open your web browser and go to the Epic Games website. Log in with the same account you use in the launcher. Then find the item you want to buy and complete the purchase directly on the website. Sometimes the launcher can have a temporary issue, while the browser checkout works without any trouble. This is especially useful if you're getting a generic card declined message and you've already confirmed that your card details are correct. So to recap, first turn off your VPN or proxy, then retry the payment. If that doesn't work, switch to the Epic Games website and purchase from your browser instead of the launcher. These 2 steps solve a lot of card declined errors without needing any complicated troubleshooting. If this video fixed your issue, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Epic Games payment help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.